Let's see the gold, how it's doing today. Let's see what it has done yesterday and what we can expect today from the market. Let's take a look at the chart. The daily chart shows us a daily candle which has closed yesterday as a bearish candle, but first of all the price has reached the price level 3500. We can round this number, and from there the price has dropped down. If you take a look here on the 4-hour time frame yesterday, how the price has behaved, we will see that the price has tried to move further higher and higher. And yesterday when I have made the analysis, here the price was trying to reach higher price levels, and we can see the price has reached this area of resistance around 3481.61, touched this one 3500, and then drop down. And we can see for several hours the price was dropping down. Yesterday when the price has formed this bearish breakout, we can see this bearish candle where the price has formed and closed below this area of support. I have shared this information with the traders that this will be still moving down and the price will reach lower levels. We can see that with the next candle the price has done just that. This was inside the premium analysis for the traders. I have shared with them this information, so we can see that this was a profitable trade. After that the price has touched this area of support. We can see it bounced back up a little bit and then continue to lose its value. We can see that, and then currently where the price currently is, it is trying to move further down, further on and further on. 1-hour time frame shows us that we can see that it is a downtrend on the 1-hour time frame, and we can see that the price has formed this gap at the opening of this day. The price has returned immediately up to close this gap, and then currently it is moving further down. So what we can expect today from the currently what we can see. First of all, the price has formed yesterday a bearish candle. The price is stopped at a support level, so this is not any kind of a bearish breakout suggesting further decline in value. We can see that the price has opened with a gap, which is a bearish signal, but the price returned back up and it is continue to lose its value currently. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we will see that the price is coming very close to the support level, which has already tested and bouncing from here, but the price is continue to move down further. This is just a sign of this bearish momentum currently, because the price is coming to this area for the second time. Will the price manage to make a bearish breakout going further down to 3285.87? This is something that we need to see. On the 1-hour time frame, we will see that the price is currently forming a bearish candles. After closing this gap here, the price is forming bearish candles, targeting again 3319.97. So this is first of all, this is the target I am currently watching, and I am expecting that the price will reach this area of support. After that, I am watching on the 1-hour time frame, will the price manage to make a bearish breakout, which will suggest further decline in value. Now, if we go to the daily time frame, how this looks much more as a bearish momentum where the price could touch again 3285.87. But just a minute, let's move this a little bit up. We'll see this will be a confluence of support here, where we have here this trend line acting now as a support. So this is a confluence between the buyers and the sellers, and this will be a very hard for price to break below. Now, will the price stop here? This is something that needs to be watched. But first of all, I can see that this price level around 3326, which will be visible here, 3319, is a very important one also on the daily time frame. And we can see this also very important on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. So it will not be very easy to make a bearish breakout going further down, touching again this area of support. So I will be very cautious after the price makes this bearish breakout, but first of all, at this moment, I am open to see the price reaching this area 3319.97, and from there, I will see how the price will behave around this area of support, and especially here, if the price goes further down, because it will be a very important support level. Just remember that we are currently inside this bullish momentum, and it is pretty high, this one. The angle is pretty high, so this will be also potentially that the price could drop significantly very fast, but this is something that I will watch closely during the day. So for now, if you are also interested to receive these updates, for example, when this bullish pin bar forms and also this bearish breakout or bullish breakout, feel free to join the premium analysis. Like yesterday, you can receive the updates also on other symbols when there is a bullish or bearish breakout. Feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.